Hi everybody! Today we're going to learn about the highlight reel. The highlight reel is an easy and eye-catching navigation tool to view and access specific locations in the tour. It provides a nice highlight of attractive looking locations, making it easier for the users to notice and access them. To reach the highlight reel, go to Spaces, choose a tour, go to Workspace, navigate to Digital Twin Studio, and click on Highlight Reel. To activate the highlight reel, pull this toggle to the right. On the top here, we see three dots. Click on it to import or export the reel. We have a few settings here. Pull the toggle on if you want to have the Matterport highlight reel active in the tour. And then we've got Matterport Tour Play. Enable this toggle if you want to display the Matterport Play button. Now let's create our highlight reel. To start off, click on Add Thumbnail. Provide a name to your view. I will name it Master Bedroom. Group. In this section, you can select a group to be assigned to this specific view. Currently, we don't have any groups, therefore it is ungrouped, but we will get back to it and assign it when we create groups. Action types. Assign an action type to this highlight. The action will be triggered upon clicking on this view. We've got a few options here. Let's select Pop-up. This will open the needed content directly in the tour. It has the same effect as the iframe action type, but the only difference is that here you can insert links to your PDF or JPEG files too. Now let's put a URL here. Alright, I have pasted a link from a YouTube video here. Next, you can select images from the gallery here. To assign to the specific view, I will select this one. Notice that you can also upload your own image here. Click Save. Our first highlight view has appeared here, and let's go to the public link to see the result. Alright, we are inside the public link of the tour. Here is where I find the highlight reel. Since we've got only one highlight for now, it is a very short highlight reel, but let's click on our view, which has the pop-up action type assigned to it, and see what happens. As I clicked on it, the action type has been triggered and the video has popped up here. Another cool thing that you can do is add the analytics link of this tour as a pop-up action type. Go here, write analytics, for example, select pop-up action type, insert the link of the analytics page, select the image corresponding to this, and click Save. And there you go, here is the analytics highlight, and if we click on it, we can navigate the analytics page directly from the tour. Let's add another highlight. I will name it Guest Room. And let's choose the tour link action type. This action will redirect us to the location we have selected from the tour. In this case, I want to be the guest room. To do that, we will access the public link and get the URL from there and come back to the workspace and paste it here. To copy the location of this room, I will simply click Ctrl Y and my current position has been copied and I will go back to the workspace. Alright, we are back here. We will paste the URL here, select our image corresponding to the guest room. To see the result, again, we will access the public link. Alright, here is our highlight reel. As we click on it, we will be redirected to the specific room instantly. So I have added a few more highlight views, and now we have more content into our highlight reel. It's time for us to group our views because I've got views with different kind of rooms, I have some attractions, I have the analytics page. How do I group everything? We will go to add group and we just create a group specifically for our views. In my case, I will create a group, let's say our rooms. And there we go, my first group. The second group will be analytics. And the third group will be, let's say, nearby locations. So my three groups are here, and now all we have to do is go through each view and assign it to a group. So this will go to our rooms, guest room will also fall into the our rooms group. Analytics goes to the analytics group. Perfect. Now we can see how it looks like from the workspace, second group, and my third group. And all we need to do is to access the public link to see the results. Alright, here is our beautiful highlight reel, and we can notice now a few things. Of course, we can notice the names we have provided for each view: laundry room, kitchen, living room, etc. And then our groups appeared here at the top. And as I click on one of the group, on our rooms for example, it shows me only the highlights for this specific group. If I click on analytics, it shows me only the analytics relevant pages. And if I click on nearby locations group, it will show me the views I have assigned to this specific group. And of course, all the action types I have assigned to each view will come into action and show up into the tour. So there you go, you know how to build a highlight reel for your tour.